Hello, my wonderful friends. This is Ola. I'm here today to study with you Unit 5 spelling words. Irregular verbs in the past tense. Oh, I think it would be great to study with you. But before we study our spelling words, we have to remember together what is a verb. A verb is an action or a state. And to put our verbs in the past tense, we simply add an ed. Remember, Uncle Ed. So, if I say, I play basketball, that means something that I always do. But if I want to put it in the past tense, I'm going to say, I played basketball yesterday. Yet we also learned that some verbs act differently. They are irregular. The irregular verbs do not accept Uncle Ed. They are put in the past tense in a different way. We're going to have 3 different groups of words. We're going to have lemon, melon, and honeydew. These different words are for different people, but still I'm going to challenge you all because I think I can study all the words. Our words in lemon today are think, again, thought, brought, made. I think that's a wonderful idea. Let's play again. Mia thought that she lost her lunchbox. Carla brought new shoes. Tammy made a bracelet. The words we have in the melon group today are swam, hit, drove. I swam towards the shore. I can hit the sandbag. My mom drove back home. And finally, the words in honeydew are ate, sat, read, slept. The dog ate the food. The student sat on a chair. I read all the books. She slept on the couch. Wow, my lovely friends, that was joyful. I have learned a lot today, and I hope that you did too. Now I have 2 of my friends who think that they can compete with you. Are you ready? Okay, all right. This is Footy, and I know that I will win and beat everybody in the spelling test. Oh, Footy, please don't be too sure. I study my spelling words too. Hello, Year 1 students. My name is Uni, and I'm ready for a competition. I'm going to study units 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, and we'll have a grand competition then. If you like our video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also follow us on Instagram and like our Facebook page. Thank you.